God created the universe by only speaking. And this week we're going to look at Neptune. Neptune is the smallest of all of the gas planets in our solar system, smaller than Jupiter, Saturn and Uranus. It has no solid surface, so we can't stand on it. But if we could, we would notice that the gravity on Neptune is very similar to here on Earth. Both Neptune and Uranus are both known as the ice giants of our solar system as well, because even though they're the gas planets and are similar to Jupiter, Saturn, they are also very different because they're very cold. Neptune is the furthest from the Sun, but it's not the coldest, which is very strange. The twin planet, ice planet, Uranus, is actually colder than Neptune, but is far hotter at its core. Neptune gives out 2.6 times more heat than it actually receives from the Sun. I don't understand these facts. I don't get how any of this can be possible if we didn't have a creator God. It's not a dark and icy planet, and the temperature is minus 218 degrees Celsius. And if an unprotected human could stand on Neptune, we would freeze within 1 second. Neptune is the windiest planet in our solar system. The winds can reach up to 2,200 kilometers an hour. In comparison to Earth, our fastest tornadoes ever recorded are between only 400 and 500 kilometers per hour, and they do enough damage. Scientists are really confused and puzzled at how such a cold planet can get clouds to move so fast. Again, another example of something that cannot be explained by our scientists, and they are super clever, but can't be explained because not all things are known to man. The atmosphere on Neptune contains hydrogen, helium and methane, just like Uranus. It's kind of like a thick fog of water, ammonia and methane that covers this kind of rock and icy core. The methane that's in the atmosphere is what gives it the blue appearance, like Uranus. Neptune has 6 known rings. These consist of 20% dust and the rest are just tiny small rocks. They're difficult to see because they're very dark, and they are very similar to Uranus's rings, unlike Saturn, which has icy ones. Again, another thing that for me is very interesting, because Uranus and Neptune are both the ice planets but don't have ice rings. Saturn isn't and does have ice rings. Neptune also has 14 moons, and its largest moon is called Triton, and this moon orbits Neptune in the opposite direction to all the others. What's important is God created everything, so that by faith we can understand that the universe was created by the word of God, so that what is seen was not made out of things that are visible.